Day trading is often perceived as a fast-paced, high-stakes endeavor where only a select few can achieve consistent success. The allure of making quick profits attracts many aspiring traders to this world, yet the reality can be far more challenging than it appears. While there is no shortage of strategies, tips and tricks circulating within the trading community, there exists an insider secret that many successful day trading experts are hesitant to share. This secret, once understood and implemented, can significantly elevate your trading game and improve your chances of success. Before delving into the insider secret, it's important to grasp the fundamentals of day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, with the goal of profiting from short-term price fluctuations. Unlike long-term investors, day traders do not hold positions overnight, which means they must constantly analyze market conditions and execute trades with precision. Day trading requires a deep understanding of technical analysis, including chart patterns, indicators, and trading signals. Successful day traders must also possess strong risk management skills to minimize losses and protect their capital. However, even with all the knowledge and tools at their disposal, many traders struggle to achieve consistent profitability. One of the reasons day trading can be so daunting is the overwhelming amount of information available. New traders often find themselves buried in complex strategies, trying to decipher intricate chart patterns and make sense of numerous indicators. The trading industry has perpetuated the idea that success requires mastering a labyrinth of technical details. However, the insider secret that day trading experts don't want you to know is that complexity does not necessarily equate to success. In fact, many seasoned traders have discovered that simplifying their approach yields better results. The key lies in focusing on a few core principles and executing them with discipline and consistency. The foundation of successful day trading is a well-structured trading plan. A trading plan outlines your strategy, including the types of trades you will make, the criteria for entering and exiting trades, and the risk management rules you will follow. It serves as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you stay focused on your goals. Many novice traders fall into the trap of impulsively making trades based on emotions or gut feelings. This approach often leads to inconsistent results and significant losses. In contrast, experienced traders adhere strictly to their trading plans, avoiding the pitfalls of emotional decision-making. Consistency and discipline are the cornerstones of successful day trading. Consistency refers to following your trading plan and strategy without deviation, while discipline involves maintaining emotional control and avoiding impulsive actions. These qualities are essential for navigating the volatile nature of the markets and achieving long-term success. Day trading experts understand that success is not about hitting home runs with every trade. Instead, it's about accumulating small, consistent gains over time. They prioritize risk management, ensuring that no single trade can significantly impact their overall capital. By adhering to their trading plan and remaining disciplined, they can weather periods of market uncertainty and continue to grow their accounts. Risk management is a critical aspect of day trading that cannot be overstated. Even the most skilled traders experience losses, and the key to longevity in the market is to manage those losses effectively. Day trading experts employ various risk management techniques to protect their capital and minimize drawdowns. One common method is setting stop-loss orders, which automatically close a trade when the price reaches a predetermined level. This prevents emotional decision-making and limits potential losses. Additionally, successful traders never risk more than a small percentage of their trading capital on a single trade, typically between 1 and 2%. This approach ensures that a string of losses will not deplete their account and allows them to continue trading without significant setbacks. The insider secret that day trading experts don't want you to know is that they are constantly learning and adapting. The financial markets are dynamic, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Successful traders stay informed about market trends, economic events, and technological advancements that can impact their strategies. Continuous learning involves studying market behavior, analyzing past trades, and seeking out new information and techniques. Day trading experts regularly review their performance, identifying strengths and weaknesses in their approach. They are not afraid to make adjustments and refine their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Emotional intelligence and mental resilience are often overlooked aspects of day trading success. The ability to manage emotions such as fear, greed, and frustration can significantly impact a trader's decision-making process. Day trading experts understand that maintaining a calm and rational mindset is crucial for making objective decisions. Mental resilience involves developing the capacity to bounce back from setbacks and stay focused on long-term goals. Trading can be mentally taxing, and it's important to have a support system, whether through mentorship, trading communities, or personal practices such as meditation and exercise. Building mental resilience allows traders to navigate the highs and lows of the market with confidence and composure. So, what is the insider secret that day trading experts don't want you to know? It is the realization that simplicity, consistency, and discipline are the keys to success. While complex strategies and advanced techniques have their place, the foundation of profitable day trading lies in mastering the basics and executing them with precision. By developing a solid trading plan, prioritizing risk management, and maintaining emotional control, you can achieve consistent results and build a successful trading career. Remember, there are no shortcuts or guarantees in day trading, but by embracing these principles, you can increase your chances of success and navigate the markets with confidence.